Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Sherbet Buko. This delightful frozen dessert, popular in the Philippines, combines the refreshing taste of young coconut with creamy milk. It's a perfect treat for warm weather, offering a unique blend of sweet and tropical flavors. You'll find it surprisingly simple to prepare at home, requiring just a few key ingredients and minimal effort for a truly satisfying result. To create this delicious treat, you'll need a few simple ingredients. Start with fresh young coconut meat and its natural juice. Then, gather sweetened condensed milk for that essential creamy texture and sweetness, along with evaporated milk to enrich the flavor. A small amount of granulated sugar is also helpful to fine-tune the sweetness to your personal preference. Making Sherbet Buko is quite straightforward. First, combine your fresh young coconut meat and juice with both sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk in a large bowl. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until everything is well blended and smooth. Taste the mixture and add a little extra sugar if you prefer it sweeter. Then, pour this delicious blend into a freezer-safe container. Once your mixture is in the freezer-safe container, place it in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours. For the best, creamiest texture, stir the mixture every 2 hours during the freezing process. When it's firm, scoop out your homemade Sherbet Buko and serve it chilled. You can even garnish it with a few extra coconut flakes for an added touch of tropical delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.